Health is wealth, as a proverb goes. However, the primary healthcare in India, especially the public sector, has not been prioritized to the level it should be. Hence, there are a lot of problems lurking in the rural areas. The idea of Swasth Bharat is to come up with an integrated health monitoring device which aids in the measurement of vital healthcare parameters such as temperature, heart rate, and sugar levels. This is the product in a nutshell. There is a code to which certain sensors are embedded. Complex sensor data such as the ECG and EEG are analyzed in the DSP, and then GSM module is used for communication. The smaller sensors data are communicated through the LoRa module. LoRa, which stands for low power long range, is used for sending the small packets of data. Then there is a display device which displays the temperature, pulse, and the ECG data in real time. Based on the demand for features, we propose two versions of our product. Version 1, which is basic, contains a thermometer, a respiratory monitor, and a pulse sensor. And version 2, which is custom, includes an advanced feature of EEG and ECG measurement along with all the basic features of version 1. We would also like to include a fingerprint sensor in both the versions so that the medical records can also contain the unique identity of the user. Other linking will also be made possible. The healthcare device, after collecting the data, will give a call to the nearby public healthcare center. The GSM module SIM 800 is used for the purpose. The ECG data is modulated using techniques such as FM and then transmitted. This avoids the human intervention in the entire process of data acquisition. Some small packets of data can be transmitted using LoRa module. A database is organized and maintained in all the hospitals and public healthcare centers. The sender's identity is verified and the data is logged in those databases. We use an artificial intelligence servers which will analyze the data from the cloud for prediction of catastrophic situations. So this will help in alerting the doctors and other medical experts in case of emergency and act accordingly. We have the following technical innovations. The product is unique because it is low cost yet accurate with sensors. The LoRa module helps in low power long range transmission of small packets of data, which includes temperature and the pulse data. The mobile phones are very ubiquitous in the rural as well as urban areas. So we transmit the ECG signals over the GSM module. In the market, we find exclusive devices for measuring temperature and pulse. However, an integration of all the products is not seen. The non-contact sensors for ECG and EEG helps in avoiding the noise. There is also a reduction in hardware while using the same circuit for ECG as well as EEG. The overall accuracy can be improved by using some neural network algorithms for epileptic seizures by analyzing the EEG patterns. These are the hardware and software platforms used. After the Swasth Bharat health monitoring device, we face a lot of challenges with respect to the improvisation in accuracy of the sensor data. So we will have to work on this and get some expertise. Further, in the growing concerns of the practicality of the product, we may add or modify some of the features of the product and release new versions of the same. This product has been devised by not having the power consumption as one of the primary objectives. The future versions of the product may have a more optimized, power efficient components in the system. Ultimately, we aim to make a product, release more versions, and make it more and more optimized with respect to all aspects.